Welcome to Up for Dinner Cooking Show. My name is Anna and today we're going to be cooking some stuffed peppers with rice and mushrooms and all kinds of spices. So I hope you're ready for it. Let's get cooking.
You gotta cook and you know you're not a chef, but the kitchen shouldn't put you to the test. So put your apron on, turn up the heat, and in a matter of minutes we'll be ready to eat. Up for dinner. Up for dinner. You're watching up for dinner.
First we're going to peel some carrots. It's a very simple recipe, you guys. It really only involves carrots, onions, 1 tomato, a little bit of greens, fresh herbs, mushrooms, and of course the peppers. And the cherry on top is going to be mozzarella. So really, not really a cherry, but mozzarella on top is going to be delicious. And of course the onions. We're going to grill it all together. We're going to start with onions, finely chopped, and then the carrots, then we'll add mushrooms, the herbs, as our peppers are going to be in the oven baking. You'll see, wait for it. It's all coming. All right, we're done with the peeling part. Now let's get chopping. Okay, one more, nice and fine, because the smaller you chop it, the more delicious it will be. So here we go again. Oh my gosh, that is an effort. I promise you it's all worth it at the end. All right, now we're done with carrots and the next step is onions. Let's go for it. Very finely chopped onions. It all meshes nicely together. Kind of using a wrong knife, but that's okay. Okay, I usually remove the little stem from the mushrooms, their little leg, if you will, just so it's easier and, in my opinion, it just tastes better without it. But if you guys prefer to keep it, I'd be very curious to know if you're keeping the stem or removing it. Maybe yeah, leave it in the comments. I'd love to know the way you're making your mushrooms because they're such a prominent ingredient. So let me know if you remove it or not. I'm curious, okay? So we chop it all together. Now that everything is chopped, we're gonna put our peppers into the oven and check on them in about 10 minutes. Now that I'm done with the chopping, I'm gonna move this out of the way. We're gonna prep our peppers to go into the oven. Just like that. Done. All right. Few more things to chop. I never realized how much chopping actually is involved until we started shooting the show. Chop, chop, chop. So we add this 1 tomato. And the last thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to chop some greens just for that beautiful color. There it is, I promise. All right, pretty, pretty, ta-da, ta-da. Sorry. Guys, ready to grill? All right, so now it's time to actually cook it. Okay, we're gonna start as always with olive oil. That's always our base. Okay, and the next guy down is going to be onion. Delicious sizzling sounds. Okay, time for carrots. I'm gonna add our carrots in. Onions are looking beautiful and golden. And I'm gonna add some salt. Everything is looking nice and golden. We're gonna add the mushrooms and the herbs. Maybe a little bit of paprika, just for pretty color. Color starts blending in very nicely. Beautiful. We're adding some of our tomatoes. And now I'm gonna mix in the rice. And add a glass of water. I'm gonna close the lid. Go from the top down. Nice. It looks amazing. Okay. Now we're gonna stuff it. It's a little messy, but I promise you, it's gonna be delicious. And then we're gonna hide all of it with mozzarella cheese. And it's gonna be absolutely remarkably delicious. And last but not least, it's plenty of cheese, you guys. That will make that recipe so much better. Very, very flavorful. And something easy for everyone to enjoy. Okay, and now we're gonna send it back into baking. Okay, see you guys in 5. That just looks so good, you guys. That is absolutely wonderful. So check this out. Very simple, only 7 ingredients, and there you have it. All right, the moment of truth. Let's give it a try. Hope you guys will try it at home and hope you will enjoy it. Take care.